Welcome back to the channel, boys. For the new subscribers, this is my 1996 F350 crew cab dually with a 7.3 and a 5-speed transmission. This truck has been sitting for about 2 years now, 6 months at the body shop and 1 year just sitting around because didn't have time for it. I had a few things coming and a few things to do, work and stuff, so here we are. But the channel is gonna get lots of new content. First of all, I'm gonna do a quick walk around the truck to tell you what we need to do with the truck and what is to be expected on the channel for 2021. My goal for this year is get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're new around here, please like and subscribe my channel so we can get things going. Enough talking, let's do a quick walk around on my truck. I'm gonna tell you what needs to be done and what I'm gonna do for the next episodes. I'm gonna try and do a minimum of 1 video per week, but I'm gonna aim for 3, so stick around. We got lots of content to do. Let me show you, let me do a walk around and give it a start, show you the engine. Here she is, right out of the body shop. It's still on primer, prime spots. It had a lot of rust, you know, the most common rust on this truck. Here, there, and the whole floorboard and the pillar was also rusted out. Next video I'm gonna do putting the truck back together. So I need to remove the seats, remove the carpet, and start painting everything. Gonna see if the primer is still good and do it a good top coat so we can seal everything in, so it will be a long-lasting truck again. This is faded paint, a bit primer, new cap corner, everything is new around here. Door is locked. No more rust, everything is fixed. Look at the mess. Okay, let me open the hood real quick. Everything is really dirty, so please bear with me. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the hood stack. Not that it's not cool, but a lot of exhaust fumes go in the cab and we don't want that because I have 2 daughters, one on the way that isn't even born yet, and a 5-year-old, so we don't want fumes in the cab. I'm gonna do a nice side exit exhaust, but be pending for that because I have a surprise for that. Be pending, I have a nice idea for the exhaust. Okay, this is the engine, your basic old dirty 7.3. It has 160 over 30% nozzles and stage 2 high pressure oil pump from CNC Fab. Right after the interior video, I'm gonna change the master cylinder and the slave cylinder, so stick around for that video also. It's not gonna be fun because bleeding this system is really not fun. So I'm gonna give you tips on that and how I'm gonna do that, because I think I figured it out, but let's see on a future video of that. I'm gonna keep the old patina look, just spray over the primer, try and match the color again, bring out the logo so we can have a nice working truck look to it. Just keep the blue, try and polish back here to bring out what we got left of the blue, and see what I can do about this fading clear. Maybe re-clear it or something, we don't know yet. That's for another episode. This tailgate is really nasty. I didn't got it with the truck, I had it laying in the back of the shed, but it's better to have an old ass tailgate than no tailgate, let me tell you right now. In the back is gonna be pretty much stock. I'm not gonna leave these chromies wheel caps on. I'm gonna remove the chromes and paint the wheel a different color. Also be pending for that. Prime the cap corners and see what we can do about matching the color. This side, the logo is a little more painted over. Gonna give it a nice wet sand, see if I can bring out the logo a little bit more. No more chrome caps, no more hood stack. For the interior, I'm looking for a nice replacement seat or give this a nice cover. I'm not sure yet, but I fixed the headliner. I got a new, basically a new headliner for this truck. The carpet, the vinyl carpet is gonna be still gonna be here, but nicely cleaned, and all the trim pieces. And in a future episode, I'm gonna remove all of the plastic and repaint them, and that's gonna be a lot of work, so it's not gonna be done for this year. Stick around and please subscribe for 2021. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will really appreciate if you help me get 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So thank you, and stick around because we have a lot of content going on for this truck real soon. Thank you, boys, and enjoy. Oh yeah, the AC still works. Can't have without AC, boys. Can't have without AC in this heat. Let's take it home. I live right around the corner. My dog is gonna be more on the channel. My dog is gonna ride with us on the truck. Hey, doggo. His name is Jazza the dog. My doggo is gonna be more on the channel. I hope you like the truck, doggo. I hope you like it.